Have you ever tried aubergine Milanese? This veggie twist on Milan's classic Cotoletta alla Milanese combines crispy breaded aubergine with deliciously rich tomato pasta that will leave all your dinner guests asking for more. To begin, season the aubergine slices with salt, then dredge them in flour, followed by egg. Then combine the parmesan and breadcrumbs together and cover the slices entirely in the cheesy breadcrumbs. Next, shallow fry the breaded aubergine slices in Napolina Olio Da Cucina for around 3 minutes on each side, until they are golden brown and crispy. Then set aside to dry. Add the Napolina Olive Oil to a pan, followed by the garlic and anchovies, and fry for a few minutes. Then add the Napolina chopped tomatoes, followed by the tomato puree, and mix together well. Season with salt and pepper and mix again, then add the cooked Napolina spaghetti and toss together gently, coating all the pasta in the sauce. Then serve in 2 bowls, topping with a slice of crispy aubergine and add the finishing touch, a sprinkling of extra parmigiano. Enjoy!